Hey everybody, this is Alley Cat with Fat Cat Slots, and I'm playing Jungle Rising for $3, and I just got the Parrot Extra Wild bonus. So here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, I've never played this before, so I'm not really sure what we're rooting for, but probably anything matching up would be amazing. So, I get 12 free games. And this is game 3 of my free games. And apparently it can open up the other bonuses during this bonus, but I'm not having the best day, so I can't imagine that's gonna happen. Okay, so that's pretty good. Not terrible. Okay, so this is 5 of 13. Okay, so that should be pretty good. 7 of 13. Okay, open up, Tiger. No, it's not gonna. Oh well, that's all right. I'm happy for my $8. Oh, it is? Oh, it's 23. I'm so amazing at math. Okay, game 9 of 14, game 10 of 14. Come on, where are those extra wilds? Come on, Parrot. I need you. Okay, 12 of 14. That should be good. Okay, that should be amazing, right? Woo! I like that. Okay, that should be amazing. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes. Ooh, that is going to be amazing. Okay. All right, I take back everything that I was thinking in my mind about this game. This is an awesome game. Okay, so now it's 16 of 16. So, all right, bonus is over, and that is awesome. Awesome. Woohoo. All right, good luck to everyone out there. Make sure you subscribe.